Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming your passcode and the Apple ID email displayed so you know which account you'll remove. Once connected to Wi-Fi and power, open Settings and tap your name at the top. Make sure you backed up any photos or documents you need. If not, pause and perform a backup now. When ready, scroll down to find Sign Out and get your Apple ID password ready to authenticate the removal. Next, disable Find My iPhone within the Apple ID section. This is required to remove the account. When prompted, enter your Apple ID password to authenticate and tap Sign Out. The system will ask whether you want to keep a copy of contacts, calendars, and keychain items on the phone. Choose carefully based on whether you'll reuse the device. Once you confirm, the phone removes iCloud syncing and prepares to sign out entirely. Wait for the process to complete before proceeding. After sign out finishes, restart the phone to clear caches and verify the iCloud account is gone from settings. If you see activation lock or the device still lists the Apple ID, make sure Find My was fully turned off and retry signing out. Sometimes signing in and toggling Find My off again fixes it. If problems persist, use iCloud. To remove the device from your account or contact Apple support with purchase proof to request activation lock removal.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.